CII आणि गोंय मनरिजवण संस्थेच्या जोड पालवान CII गोवा फेस्ट जातले। या कार्यावळीत साबार कार्यावळी आणि भलायकी खेळ या विशयांचेर जागृताय जातली अशी माहिती आयोजकांनी दिल्या। डेस्क कोवागती पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
So during film festival, we wanted to do some more events related to also sports, because sports and entertainment both are very big industries today, and sports is for CII we have a national committee on sports and both entertainment. So we do take this very seriously because these are the very upcoming industries for the young India of today. Hence we want to promote not only sports, fitness, health in Goa, and there is nothing better than IFFI time when we have a lot of national international people. So we've planned a couple of events. We'll just share a brief note later that we're going to have. The first one, the big one, is the beach soccer, which we are having on this Saturday, 19th November at Miramar Beach. This is a beach soccer which will kick off the IFFI. So it's a kick-off match for IFFI. We have invited the best clubs of Goa, all of them to play in one category, and the other category is of corporates. So we are having 8 teams, or the 8 best clubs, and the kick-off match will be Salgaonkar and Dempos, and then followed by Sporting and other clubs. So that is one category. The other is 16 teams of corporate. So corporate, we want CII being a confederation of industry, we want to encourage lots of sports and fitness in corporates. So each corporate like HDFC, IFB, all of them are coming with their own teams of regular employees. They are not professionals, but that will be the second category. And IFB is one of our main sponsors for this. We are looking at some more which we will finalize by the end of this week. For the first time, first edition of Sports, Fitness, Health and Lifestyle Expo, which will happen in Kala Academy from 26th to 28th. So 28th is the last day of IFFI and 28th is the last day of that event. So that event is again for the awareness for sports, fitness.